Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from Metamask to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will have you moving your assets smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Metamask wallet with USDT already in it. Remember, USDT is a stablecoin tied to the US dollar, usually on the Ethereum network. Also, ensure you have a Robinhood account that's verified and ready for crypto deposits. If you're not on the right network in Metamask, switch to Ethereum mainnet to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Metamask extension or app and log in. Once you're in, select the USDT token from your wallet. If you don't see it, you might need to add it manually by searching for USDT on the Ethereum network. Next, head over to your Robinhood app or website. Go to the crypto section and find your USDT wallet. Look for the deposit option. It should give you a unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully. This is where your USDT will go. Now, back in Metamask, click on the USDT token and hit Send. Paste the Robinhood deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check everything, amount, address, and network, to prevent any mistakes. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Before you confirm, keep an eye on the gas fees. In 2025, Ethereum might have even better scaling solutions, but fees can still add up. Once you're ready, hit Send and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. After that, jump back to Robinhood and refresh your account. Your USDT should show up soon. If it doesn't, check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to track its status. And there you have it. Your USDT is now in Robinhood, ready for trading or holding. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and enable two-factor authentication everywhere. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.